Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Python is old and where it lives. Run Python version and pi-0p to list interpreters. Once done, export dependencies with pip freeze requirements. txt and copy any virtualenv folders you need. Make sure to close IDEs and stop services that use Python, because file locks will block removal. Run the uninstaller as administrator or use sudo in terminal. This saves time and prevents broken projects later when you remove system or user installations. Next, perform the actual uninstall depending on your OS. On Windows, open Settings apps, select the Python entry and uninstall, then remove leftover entries from path. Check both system and user environment variables. On macOS, remove the appropriate /library/framework/Python. Framework versions and uninstall homebrew formulae if used. On Linux, use apt, dnf, or pacman to remove distribution packages, or uninstall pyenv versions and manually delete compiled installs. Make sure to verify version removal with Python version. Finally, tidy remaining files and environment pointers so the old interpreter cannot reappear. Remove stale path entries, delete pip caches and obsolete site packages directories, and clear user, local, or app data Python folders. Once complete, reinstall the correct Python or recreate virtual environments and pip install R requirements. txt. If commands still point to the wrong version, make sure path ordering is correct. Run #r or restart the shell. And if necessary, reinstall using the official installer to repair broken associations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.